Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing a list of available networks. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first method, what we can do is click on search, and then we want to type in view network connections. Here it is here, so open it up. And now make sure your network connections are enabled and not disabled. So if it says disabled, go ahead and click on, right click it and then click enabled. Now for the second method, we want to head over to search again. Then we want to type in troubleshoot settings. Here it is here. So open up troubleshoot settings. Then from here under troubleshoot, under options, it says other troubleshooters. So click into that. Now from here, we want to click on network and internet and then click run. Let's give that a few moments to run. As you can see, you're connected to the internet. We didn't find any problems with your network. But if you don't see this, it will be able to give you a few solutions how to fix that for you. Now for the third method, we want to click on to search again. And then where it says type into search, type in services and then click into services. And now from here, we want to click up the top and then click W, so it sorts by W. And then we need to find WLAN auto config. So if we scroll down, WLAN auto config. Here it is here. Now we need to double click on it. Now it says start or startup type. We want to choose automatic. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on start. Then once that is finished, you want to click on OK. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on WLAN auto config again. And then we want to click on to restart. So now it says Windows attempting to start the following. And now see if that fixes your issues. Now for the next step, and then we want to click on search again and type in network reset. Here it is here. Open her up. And then from here, we want to click on reset and then just follow the prompt, see if that fixes your Wi-Fi not showing up in list of available networks, and then restart your PC as well. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you guys.